Aloha Hokule'a Polynesian Dancers. Keali'i na pulamamai Iloka kuna Nake akua malamama Aku aloha ia oko I lift my voice up to my family, whose love I wear upon my chest. This is my gift of love for you, from this land that has nurtured me, 'cause it remains here in my heart, cared forever by God. Here is my love for all of you. Nake aku ai malamamau E aku aloha ia oko. Here is my love for all of you. All of you. Iloka kuna Nake aku ai malamamau. Here is my love. E aku aloha. Here is my love for all of you.